to CIM Technologies Manufacturing Solutions Day, powered by Siemens.
Welcome to CIM's Manufacturing Solutions Day. It's a day where we will explore the latest advancement in manufacturing, design and production. And of course, we will discover how these technologies transform yung mga business natin, no?
We all want our business. We all want our own product to be successful. We want to deliver the best service level that we need so we can satisfy our customers. And that is what CIM Technologies would be introducing you specific to Siemens Solid Edge 2025.
Technologies and processes that enhance the way that we develop yung product.
Madaming activities si CIM na helpful sa amin, lalo na sa amin designers sa Panasonic. And then at the same time, yung mga seminars and then yung workshop na natutulong ni CIM during our new products na ginagamit. Yan lang.
So there are several evolution towards Industry 4.0. So first is the Industry 1.0, where they introduced the steam power for steam trains and ships. And the second one is the Industry 2.0, where they brought in electricity for powering more efficient machines.
Actually, Solid Edge, nagamit ko na po siya ever since nag-college po ako. And then, nung pumasok ako sa Panasonic, for CIM Technologies, ma-introduce yung product na Solid Edge. And then, also other products
Okay, you can start now, guys.
to companies like us.
I hope you have a very insightful and new perspective in terms of the Manufacturing 4.0. And I would want to thank all the speakers today. We've had a very insightful discussion in terms of Manufacturing 4.0, from the collaborative tools that we have, the Solid Edge X or SEX.
CIM #1!